Good evening. We start with Gaelic football. Donegal are celebrating their first All-Ireland success for 20 years. They defeated Mayo by 4 points in yesterday's final. Viewers are advised that John Flack's report contains flash photography.
The Sam Maguire was on its way back to Donegal today for the first time since 1992. The party will go on for days, weeks, maybe even months.
I suppose get over the line today is it's fantastic for them, really. It's probably a life-changing moment for them, you know, and they've worked very hard to create it, and you know they delivered today again, and it's just a fantastic feeling, to be honest.
I think we've followed in them footsteps and finally got the success ourselves and following the footsteps of the boys from '92. Like, it's just hard to take in.
And in Donegal, the hills are alive with the sound of Sam. 24 hours after that famous Croke Park victory, the Sam Maguire Cup will arrive back in the county this evening. And as Mark McFadden reports, the green and gold supporters are still in a celebratory mood.
They'd waited 20 years for this, and they were ready to party. All over Donegal, those who couldn't get a ticket to Croke Park were gathering in their thousands at open-air venues, watching on big screens inside bars, community centres and marquees. Some were edgy, not a good day for those with a fresh manicure. An early Donegal goal, though, had the green and gold cheering, and they were never behind after that.
Oh, it's brilliant, great atmosphere, so proud to be from Donegal. So proud. Oh.
Amazing, unbelievable, the best day of my life. I'm on top of the hill.
Oh, lethal. I'm sorry for my cousin, though.
Cousin's on the Mayo team.
Yeah, he's the captain and the goalkeeper. I'm sad for him. But they didn't want Donegal.
They were unreal. We knew they would never let us down. We were just delighted. Donegal obey. Jimmy's bringing Sam back to Donegal. The biggest night in Donegal in 20 years. It was unbelievable.
Oh, so proud. I can't believe it.
Fantastic. Sam's coming back to Donegal. Brilliant.
The team brings the cup back to Donegal town this evening, but this is a party that will continue for days to come. Mark McFadden, UTV Live, Donegal.
I think Donegal enjoyed that, and we have more on their win on our website. You can also see what our expert Kevin Madden had to say about the game. That's on his blog at u.tv. Boxing next, Carl Frampton could be back in the ring before Christmas after retaining his Commonwealth Super Bantamweight belt. He reckons he's only 2 or 3 fights away from a shot at a world title.
Steve Mahler was a world-class opponent, and I dismantled him basically, and you know, I'm going to get the critics saying that he was finished, but he wasn't finished.
Ireland's cricketers have a daunting task ahead of them in their World 2020 group decider against the West Indies. Finally, Ulster rugby players Paul Marshall and Craig Gilroy have been called up to this week's Ireland training squad. That's it from me. Bye for now.